Hey, you. Yes, you. I found these 10 interesting frog facts on the internet. Number 1. When a frog wants to swallow something, it has to close its eyes. This action is necessary because the muscles controlling the movement of the lower jaw sit behind the eye sockets. So, when the frog wants to move its lower jaw down, it first has to close its eyes. Number 2. When a frog swallows, its eyes roll back and down into its mouth. This eye motion happens because the bones in the frog's skull are not fused together, which allows for more movement. Additionally, the muscles that control a frog's unique eyes are attached to the jawbone, so when the jaw moves, the eyes move with it. This function may seem like a strange way to swallow, but it actually helps the frog to get a better grip on its prey. When the eyes are in the mouth, they help to push the food down the throat and into the stomach. Number 3. When you carefully hold a frog, you might notice that its body is rather squishy. This squishiness is because though frogs are vertebrates, they don't have rib cages. Instead, their bodies are mostly soft and flexible. This flexibility allows frogs to squeeze into small spaces and helps them to swim quickly through the water. Number 4. Frogs are excellent jumpers because of their long, muscular legs. Their powerful leaps help frogs escape predators and catch prey. Some frog species can even jump above 10 feet or 3 meters. This remarkable ability is due to the frog's strong leg muscles and flexible joints. Number 5. Frogs can breathe through their skin because of a thin layer of mucus that covers them. This mucus helps keep the frog's skin moist and protects it from bacteria and other harmful organisms. Special glands produce the mucus on a frog's skin. These glands are located all over the frog's body, but they are most concentrated on the frog's head and back. The mucus produced by these glands flows down the frog's body and covers its skin. Number 6. Frogs that change color do so for a variety of reasons. The most common reason is camouflage. For example, a gray tree frog will change its color to match the bark of a tree if it wants to avoid being seen by predators. Some frogs also change color to regulate their body temperature. For example, if a frog is too hot, it will usually become lighter in color to reflect more heat. Conversely, if a frog is cold, it will often become darker in color to absorb more heat. Number 7. Frogs are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. In cold environments, most frogs would not be able to keep their bodies warm enough to survive. Antarctica is the only continent with no frogs because it is too cold for them to survive. Number 8. The decline of frogs around the world is a cause for concern. Frogs are indicators of environmental health, and their declining numbers signify something is wrong. There are multiple reasons for frog population decline, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Number 9. Frogs are one of the most ancient groups of animals on Earth. Frogs first appeared on our planet about 250 million years ago. They were among the many animals that evolved during the Mesozoic era, often called the Age of Dinosaurs. Number 10. Some frogs spend part of their lives frozen solid. How do some frogs survive their bodies shutting down while frozen? These hardy creatures can withstand sub-zero temperatures thanks to the high levels of glucose in their blood. This sugar helps to keep their cells from freezing and prevents them from dying even though their breathing stops temporarily. That's all for this video.